Hi. Welcome back to our tutorial videos. Today, I'm gonna show you how to use form settings. For this tutorial, let's try it on a purchase order document. To access the form settings, go to Toolbar and click the Form Settings icon. Form settings let you display or hide frequently used fields, rows, and other options for an active window. You can also arrange the table or row format in each window, add more details, and restore default settings. The Form Settings option is available for the main menu, Setup, and List of windows, Marketing documents, Incoming and outgoing payments, and Reports. Thank you for watching this tutorial video and see you in our next tutorial. Good day.